Hey there, science fans! Are you ready to embark on a fascinating journey? Today we're diving into the amazing world of musculoskeletal anatomy. It's a big term, but don't let it scare you. That's a mouthful, right? But don't worry, it's just a fancy way of saying we're learning about our bones, muscles, and joints. These are the parts of our body that give us strength and mobility. Why is this important? Well, your musculoskeletal system is like the framework that holds you up and allows you to move, groove, and do all sorts of cool stuff. Imagine trying to play your favorite sport or dance to your favorite song without it. Without it, you'd be like a floppy noodle, unable to dance, jump, or even stand up straight. It's what keeps you upright and active. We're going to explore the names and locations of major bones, like the femur, the longest bone in your body, and the tiny bones in your fingers and toes. We'll also discover how different muscle groups work together to help you perform everyday activities, from lifting your backpack to running in a race. And let's not forget about the joints. We'll unravel the mysteries of those amazing connectors called joints, which allow your bones to move smoothly. Get ready for an exciting adventure inside your own body. We'll learn how everything works together to keep you moving and feeling great. So, buckle up, science explorers, and get ready to learn all about the incredible system that keeps you moving and grooving. It's going to be a fun and educational ride. Let's start with the foundation of your body, your bones. Your skeleton is made up of 206 bones, all different shapes and sizes, working together to provide support, protect your organs, and allow for movement. It's like a giant living jigsaw puzzle. Think of your skull, a bony helmet protecting your brain. Then there's your rib cage, a shield guarding your heart and lungs. And let's not forget your spine, a flexible column that lets you bend and twist. But bones aren't just static structures. They're alive, constantly growing and repairing themselves. They're also surprisingly strong, able to withstand incredible forces. Pretty cool, huh? But now, let's talk muscles. These amazing tissues are the engines that power your every move, from blinking your eyes to running a marathon. You have over 600 muscles in your body, and they come in different types, each with a specific job. Skeletal muscles, attached to bones by tendons, are responsible for voluntary movements like walking and waving. Smooth muscles, found in your organs, control involuntary actions like digestion. And then there's your heart, a powerful muscle working tirelessly to pump blood throughout your body. Muscles work by contracting and relaxing, pulling on bones via tendons and creating movement. It's like a complex system of ropes and pulleys, all working in harmony to make your body move. Now, how do bones and muscles work together? That's where joints come in. Joints are like connecting points that allow your bones to move in different ways. Think of your elbow, a hinge joint that lets you bend and straighten your arm. Or your shoulder, a ball and socket joint, allowing for a wide range of motion. And don't forget your knees, those crucial hinge joints that support your weight and help you walk, run, and jump. Each joint has a specific structure and function, allowing for different types of movement. Without joints, our bodies would be stiff and immobile, unable to perform even the simplest tasks. Section 5, pop quiz time. Test your anatomy smarts. All right, science whizzes, time to test your knowledge. Grab a piece of paper and a pencil, and let's see what you've learned. No peeking at the answers. 1. What type of joint is your hip joint? Is it a hinge joint, B, ball and socket joint, or C, pivot joint? 2. Which bone protects your brain? Is it A, rib cage, B, skull, or C, spine? 3. What type of muscle is responsible for digesting food? Is it A, skeletal muscle, B, smooth muscle, or C, cardiac muscle? 4. What connects muscles to bones? Is it A, ligaments, B, tendons, or C, cartilage? Take your time, think carefully, and trust your instincts. Section 6, answers and explanations. Unlocking the mysteries. Pencils down, everyone. It's time to dive into the answers and see how well you understood the material. Let's see how you did. This is the moment of truth, where we unlock the mysteries of anatomy together. Here are the answers to our anatomy quiz. Pay close attention as we go through each one. 1. The answer is B, ball and socket joint. This type of joint is crucial for a wide range of movements. Your hip joint, similar to your shoulder, is a ball and socket joint, allowing for a wide range of motion. This flexibility is essential for activities like walking, running, and dancing. 2. The answer is B, skull. The skull is a fascinating structure that serves multiple purposes. Your skull acts like a helmet, providing crucial protection for your brain. It also supports the structures of your face and forms a cavity for the brain. 3. The answer is B. Smooth muscle. These muscles play a vital role in your body's functions. Smooth muscles, found in your digestive system and other organs, control involuntary actions like digestion. They work tirelessly without you even thinking about it. 4. The answer is B. Tendons. Tendons are essential for movement and stability. Tendons are strong, fibrous cords that attach muscles to bones, allowing for movement. They are crucial for activities like lifting, jumping, and gripping. How did you do if you got them all right? Congratulations, you've demonstrated a solid understanding of these key concepts. You're well on your way to becoming a musculoskeletal master. If not, don't worry, learning is a journey. Everyone learns at their own pace. The important thing is to stay curious and keep pushing forward. The important thing is to keep exploring and asking questions. Never stop seeking knowledge and understanding. Section 7. Common stumbles. Avoiding anatomy pitfalls. Learning anatomy can be tricky, and it's easy to get tripped up along the way. The sheer volume of information can be overwhelming, and the complexity of the human body can make it difficult to remember all the details. Here are some common mistakes students make and tips to avoid them. These tips will help you navigate through the challenging parts of your anatomy studies. Mixing up similar sounding names. It's easy to confuse the radius and ulna, the bones in your forearm, or the biceps and triceps, the muscles in your arm. These names might sound similar, but they refer to very different parts of your body. Pay close attention to their locations and functions. Use mnemonic devices or visual aids to help you remember which is which. Forgetting muscle actions. Remember that muscles work in pairs to create movement. This concept is fundamental to understanding how our bodies move. And when one muscle contracts or shortens, the other relaxes or lengthens. This coordinated action is what allows us to perform complex movements. Underestimating the importance of diagrams. Visual aids like diagrams and illustrations are your friends. They can break down complex information into more digestible parts. They can help you visualize the relationships between different structures and make learning more engaging. Interactive tools like 3D models can also provide a deeper understanding. Don't be afraid to ask for help if you're struggling. Asking questions is a crucial part of the learning process. Your teacher, classmates, and even online resources can provide valuable support. Collaborating with others can offer new perspectives and insights that you might not have considered. Section 8. Learning tips mastering musculoskeletal anatomy. Ready to ace your next anatomy test? Here are some proven tips to help you master the material. Break it down. Don't try to memorize everything at once. Focus on one body region or system at a time. Make it interactive. Use flashcards, create your own diagrams, or even build a skeleton model to make learning more engaging. Quiz yourself regularly. Testing your knowledge helps reinforce what you've learned and identify areas where you need more practice. Relate it to real life. Think about how your muscles and bones work together when you're playing sports, dancing, or even just walking down the street. Remember, learning anatomy takes time and effort, but it's an incredibly rewarding journey. Section 9. Beyond the classroom, anatomy in everyday life. Musculoskeletal anatomy isn't just for doctors and scientists. It's relevant to everyone. Understanding how your body moves and functions can help you prevent injuries. Now, knowing proper lifting techniques and exercise form can protect your muscles and joints from strain, improve your athletic performance. Understanding muscle actions and joint movements can enhance your technique in sports and other physical activities. Make informed healthcare decisions. Being anatomy savvy empowers you to communicate effectively with healthcare professionals and make informed decisions about your health. So the next time you're shooting hoops, practicing yoga, or simply taking a walk, think about the amazing interplay of bones, muscles, and joints that makes it all possible. Section 10. Keep exploring, the journey continues. Congratulations, anatomy adventurers. You've completed a whirlwind tour of the musculoskeletal system, but this is just the beginning of your journey. There's so much more to discover about this incredible machine we call the human body with its endless complexities. Keep asking questions, exploring resources, and marveling at the intricacies of your own anatomy and physiology. Remember, learning is a lifelong journey, and the more you learn, the more amazing and fascinating the world becomes. So go forth, science explorers, and never stop learning and discovering new things.